What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had one trade today. We ended up taking a win on NQ. Pretty small win, about 1.5 R. We took this on Top Step. Executions are in the Discord, so if you guys want to go check that out, link is in the pinned comment. And if you guys want a link to Alpha Futures, which is my other firm that I use, link is in the pinned comment as well. So let's run through this really quick. There's not too much to go over today, so coming into the day, I said I wanted to see a manipulation potentially lower before a continuation back up, or just some type of manipulation off market open in order to target draws, because we had London high and we had Asia high above, and then for sell side we had London low and we had a daily low. We had a 1 hour first presented for value gap all to the downside, right? So I wanted to just wait off market open. We were ranging, or pre-market we were ranging, as you can see right here, and I want to see a clear manipulation. So off of market open, price initially pushes down, and then we get this huge candle to the upside, and then we end up inversing back down. So my first entry I really wanted to take was off this 1 minute inversion right here. We inverse it, we come back in. I wanted to enter here, but I wanted to kind of see a clear shift, change in the state, just something to kind of confirm that we were going to go lower. So here we end up getting a nice push down. We end up getting a retrace, and price retraces back into a 3 minute bearish fair value gap. We get this wick in right here. And at this point, I want to see price continue down to London at least, and then potentially down to this 1 hour first presented fair value gap. We have a very small 1 hour first presented fair value gap right over here to the left, really small, but again, these areas are strong, so I want to see price draw into this. So again, we get that manipulation off of market open down, then we manipulate back up, we start shifting downwards, and then I'm looking for basically a continuation lower, at least down to London low for my break-even point, and then I want to run it down to that first 1 hour first presented. I obviously could have ran it lower. We had a 15-minute low and a daily low down here, but at this point I just wanted to get in out because I did figure that potentially London could be the reversal point and we could continue back up from there, because we had been building, or not building, but we had put in relative equal highs with London. I did think maybe the trend would want to shift and continue up, and we could get a reversal. So I just wanted to play it safe there. So basically price retraced, like I said, into this 3 minute bearish fair value gap, which we have marked out right here. And from this point, I was just kind of looking for an entry. We end up pushing back in strong, retesting, and then we end up getting a 30-second inverse to the downside. I end up entering in off the retrace. My entry was 24,666. I run my stops above this wick right here. It was around 64 points or something like that, and I just targeted 1 TP at the 1 hour first presented fair value gap, around the CE point of that gap. So basically price comes down, we get pushed back up into our entry, and I wanted to take a re-entry right here, but I just didn't get in time. But anyway, price comes down. As soon as we take out London on this wick right here, I go break even and I let the rest of this trade run, and then I take full TP at the 1 hour first presented. So again, really quick trade recap today. We get a nice manipulation to the upside. We start shifting downwards. We have a drawn liquidity lower at London low, and that first hour at 1 hour first presented for value gap, and we have draws lower. ES is also respecting bearish order flow at the same time. We get the poke back into the 3 minute bearish fair value gap for the continuation model. We get a 30-second inversion, come back in, retest, we break back down, show a nice recovery, stops to break even at London low, and then full TP at the 1 hour first presented fair value gap. So a decent trade, 1.5 R or so, and yeah, heading into NFP tomorrow. Happy with that win, I'll take it. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. I'll go over the market tonight in the Discord, so if you guys want to join, again, link is below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.